So this is how we will implement in C. So there will be this sine wave.c where we'll have this function. So this is a function to calculate the coefficient for the bilinear transform using this recursion. We are defining pi here because we are going to use pi. So we are calculating omega t, that is repeated many times here. And here we are calculating just one coefficient because, as we've seen here, when we further simplified our equations, there is no coefficient here for yn minus 2, and all of this becomes a single coefficient. So this is what we are doing here. We are just calculating this coefficient, and then at the main, there are a lot of things going on. At some point we will calculate the coefficient for sine wave of 500 hertz, and then we are setting our y of 0 equals to 0, y of 1 we are setting according to how we've seen also here. Then y of 2 is, it gets this minus y of 1 times our coefficient that we calculated, minus y of 0, which is exactly like this equation here. And then we are making that the y of 0 gets the value of y of 1, y of 1 gets the value of y of 2, and this will be inside a loop that we are putting this value of y of 0 times the desired amplitude, this factor of 2, because as I mentioned before, now it's generating peak to peak amplitude, and then it goes to the left output that goes to the audio codec and is played through the headphones.